foodies, welcome to my YouTube channel Vaishnavi the Kitchen Chef. In this video we are going to make crispy spicy Maggie Manchurian. The ingredients are uncooked noodles 2 packet, maida 1 cup, corn flour 1/4 cup, Szechuan chutney 2 teaspoon, green chilies chopped 2, pepper 1 teaspoon and salt for taste. Capsicum chopped, capsicum sliced, onion, grated carrot, garlic ginger paste 3 teaspoon. Boil the noodles in hot water. Add 1 teaspoon oil so that it doesn't become sticky. Drain the noodles and allow it to cool. Add carrot, capsicum, pepper powder, salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Add corn flour, maida and mix all the ingredients well. Add some oil and mix well. Take little amount of Maggie and make round shaped balls. Deep fry the Maggie balls in high flame till it becomes golden brown. Now let's make the gravy for Maggie Manchurian. Take a pan, add oil, garlic, green chilies and saute it for 2 minutes. Add onions, capsicum and stir for 2 minutes. Add salt, pepper powder, Szechuan chutney and mix well. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of corn flour and dilute it with water. Add the diluted corn flour water in the pan. Add 1 glass of water and mix well. Add some food color and half cup of water. Allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Now add the Maggi masala sachets in the gravy. Now add the fried Maggi balls in the gravy. Finally, the crispy spicy Maggie Manchurian is ready.